After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
It's my world and we're all living in it.
Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. I'm Faithly and this is Gotta Have Faithly, always bringing the heat and the vibes. You know I'm late. Welcome to Vlogtober episode 1, baby. So yeah, this is like a spend a few days with me vlog. I forgot to make an intro. This is the intro. Like, comment, share, subscribe, switch on post notifications. I'm gonna try be consistent this Vlogtober. Let's see how it goes.
Shadows,
Not demure, not mindful, not cutesy. I'm literally walking to my nail tech to go do my nails. It's a new girl. She did my sister's MD nails, so let's test her out and see how good her work is. The lighting is not really good because it looks like it's about to rain. I'm gonna Uber back home. I wanted to walk, but then I realized Uber is like 6 minutes away and it might take me maybe like 5 minutes, not even 4 minutes to walk. Lady, how you doing? So guys, I'm gonna put Naledi's TikTok page. She does nails. She's based in Esther Park. Pretty good. She's acting shy for God knows what reason, because this girl's not shy. This girl is not shy. She's been talking to me for the past and now all of a sudden you're shy.
Last kitty was a vibes last summer. Poolside vibes, then turn up. I'm with the goons and the girls in the black down Hummer.
To see ma go to get fed. The crew, guys, behind the scenes. Everybody's working behind the scenes.
I just wanna love myself, enjoy the do not pretend to love my waiting. What else can you do when
and the weather.
We're feeling cold. We're feeling cold. We're feeling cold.
Okay, cool. Period.
You have to do OMCD. Okay, guys, it's cold now. So okay, bye.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, skimming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got love nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody.
So here we go. Here we are. We are currently kindling up our hair, guys. What a mess.
Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
This is the closest I could find to like. This is the new look, guys.
Feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and